What's up, y'all? This is your boy Kenny B. I'm here live at Howard's Cafe. Today I'm gonna cook something, right? I'm gonna cook something that I find to be the coolest thing in the world, man. Meemaw's Gumbo. Meemaw's Gumbo, man. This is a beautiful, beautiful product, man. It's a black-owned product here in Los Angeles, man. They have pop-ups on 54th and Crenshaw, and they have a pop-up, and that's on Fridays. And on Jefferson and La Brea on Sundays, man, they got Meemaws. So today I want to cook my own. I want to make a vegan Meemaws brick type of gumbo. So I got my, look, check this out. I got my vegan sausage already cooking right there. I got my other brewed bricks of Meemaws. Check it out. And they even got one with the chicken brewed, what do you call that? The chicken broth. That's what it is. They got the chicken broth. That's the seafood broth. But I got my veggies and stuff back here, man, looking all good and stuff there, ready to go. But for the seafood, check this out. Boom. I got the bug legs. I got some fish, and I got the water bugs. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get back with you, man. But please go patronize these people, man. I really, really enjoyed this, man. If you want to make some type of gumbo and you don't know how to make the root for it, I suggest Meemaw's. Meemaw's Gumbo brick, man. Big ups to them, man. Show them some love. This is Kenny B with Howard's Cafe, What TV, What Talk Radio, and I'm out this motherfucker.